Roofing isn't our only expertise. One Call Restore offers you everything your building needs to keep it intact. We offer a wide range of roofing and exterior renewal and restoration services depending on your building type. Brick and stucco restoration. We can turn back time on any historical building with expert restoration services. Mold and water remediation. More than restoring century-old brick and stucco to look new again, we can also fix water issues that have made their way inside your buildings. Painting and restoration. No restoration would be complete without the finishing touch of a professional paint job to make your aging property look brand spanking new. Gutters and skylights. Without a well-functioning gutter and skylight system, no commercial roof would be complete. That's why we repair, maintain, and replace with precision and accuracy, ensuring that no water goes where it's not supposed to. Is your property's exterior old, worn out, or giving you problems? Just give us a call. Thank you.